Welcome to Illustrator with Bronze Graphics. Remove stock. Change fill color. Rectangle tool. Shortcut is M. Window to align. Shortcut is Shift plus F7. Horizontal align center. Rectangle tool. Shortcut is M. Drag and hold out button for copy. Drag and hold out button for copy. Ellipse tool. Shortcut is L. Hold Shift button and make a shape. Drag and hold out button for copy. Polygon tool. Click on blank area. Drag and hold out button for copy. Drag and hold out button for copy. Ctrl plus G for make it group. Window to Pathfinder. Select and make it unite. Ctrl plus G for make it group. Select and make it unite. Polygon tool. Click on blank area. Size is 6. Direct selection tool. Shortcut is A. Select 3 anchor point and click on right around E. Go to Type tool. Drag and hold out button for copy. Change font size. Change fill color. Change font size. Ctrl plus G for make it group. Horizontal align center. Subscribe and press the bell icon to get upcoming video notification. Make sure you leave a comment if you have any question. Follow me on social media. I upload interesting design using Photoshop, Illustrator. Love you all.